anytime you need to prove that you can be influential in your job, you have to use real examples. Storytelling is your friend in this situation. Anytime you're trying in an interview to convince them that you have the skills needed for the particular role or a particular trait, you have to use storytelling. And the reason for that is that when you can pull something from your professional past and explain how you overcame that situation and succeeded, right? Because stories have a beginning, a middle, and an end, and should have a happy ending. This is how human nature is designed to interpret and understand and appreciate your abilities. So you're going to have to come up with a story from your past. You don't want to make it up. You want to look at your professional past and say, let me think about a time when I was really influential, and I was influential with people that were higher up than me. How did I do that? What technique did I use? Did I use some kind of methodology? How can I articulate that methodology? And let me explain how I could then apply that going forward in this role, how I would use that. This is what we call the experience, learn, and grow model. And this is something we teach exclusively inside Work It Daily, which is if you can share the story of what you experienced, what you learned, right? How you applied it, and how you can now grow by using this for them. Now you're really standing out and showing them that you have the ability. And they're going to remember it too. Storytelling is a way to be more memorable. So you've absolutely got to use stories anytime you're trying to convince them that you have a skill, especially something like trying to influence people that are higher up than you.